Welcome to FlutterCoder.in. In last video we have seen that how we can display a basic animation with the animation controller and the animation parameter. So for that we have defined the animation controller and the animation, and with the help of the listener, set state, and setting up those animated values to the container, we have demonstrated that how this can be done. And if you haven't watched that video, just go back and please check out that one before continuing this video. Now in this video we will gonna see that how we can have the different interpolation for this animation. And for that, when we have defined or assigned the values to the size animation with the particular tween, and we have assigned the animate parent as an animation controller to this animate, and for that we can assign the curved animation, and which will require the one parent, that is the animated controller, and which will require the different curves. Now to check out the effects of this curve, these are the different files that we have, but we can check it over here. So these are the different curves that we have. Just for an example, the bounce in is there. So from starting to this one, from its beginning to the end, and that beginning to end in our case is the 100 to 400, when this container is being driven from the size equal to 100 height and width to the height and width equal to 400. So between this how it will be interpolated. So let's define that particular curve first, and then we will be able to understand how. Let me just rerun this one. So as we can see that how this is being interpolated between this duration with this curve, and how it is being repeated in the reverse direction and the repeating manner as well. This is the one curve that we have as a bounce in. Now here multiple curves are there. Let's say ease is there, so very easily it will be moving from its basic state to beginning state to the end state. So let me rerun this one, and this is how it will be animated, and that's how it will be animated in the reverse manner as well. Now if let's check out the different other curves as well. Let's go with this one, is in out expo or is in out back. Let me just save it and let me just rerun it. So as we can see that how it is being interpolated between these values of the beginning to the end. So that's how, with the simple change that we have made earlier animation. So that's how, with the simple change in the animation that we have coded earlier with the curved animation, we can have the different type of curves, and we can have this effect of any kind of curves into our animation. So there are lots of the curves are there. We can just code this one and just try to make use of it and see what it will brings out. So thank you for watching this video. In next video we are gonna see that how we can use the animated builder to eliminate the use of the set state when the animations are happening from beginning to end. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it to the friends. To learn more similar kind of things, stay tuned. Thank you very much.